Welcome. Yesterday I could not upload the class because of heavy rain, no recording possible. Now, exercise question 78. See, question is here. See, 12 meter, no data given, so understood 4 meter, 4 meter, 4 meter, height 3 meter. Question is, find axial forces in all members by method of joints. Use method of joints and find axial forces in all members. Then also verify the results for members, see, CD, DF and FG, these three members, and DE, DG, DE, then DE, then GB is there, yes, DE, DG, okay, DE, DG and BG by method of sections. Make a note, this type of question is very popular in academic examination, especially in BE, where they give full question, they will allot, suppose it is a 20 marks question, method of joint they will allot around 14 marks, 6 marks for the checking. Okay, anyway, class, first find support reactions and also angle for inclined members. See, support reaction, now it is an exercise question. Take VB upward, VA upward, HA right side. Take moment about A here. Minus VB into 12, 24 into 4, 15 into 8, 18 into, see, this is isosceles triangle. Why? No data given. Therefore, 18 into 2, 30 into 4 plus another 2, 12 into 4 plus 4, 8 plus half of 4, 2, minus 20 into the height. Height is 3 meter. Equal to 0, VB will come, sigma V0, VA will come, sigma H0, HA will come. Then, we want angle for all inclined members. See, all are same angles. So, actually you somewhere here, see, in the sketch for finding reactions, there you show all this calculation. How I solved systematic earlier that way. Exercise question means direct answer. So, take the angle theta, not here, in an earlier sketch, in between one sketch is there for finding reactions, theta, see. If you see a triangle here, see this triangle, tan theta equal to 3 divided by 2. You can see very easily, see here, tan theta equal to 3 divided by 2, theta will come 56.310 degrees. Okay, then once you find the reaction, then calculation of axial forces in all members by method of joint. This is star sketch. Make a neat entry. Actually, you should write everywhere here 56.31, 56.31, etc. But I am not writing because space problem. If I enter the angle here, when I write the answer for axial force, it will overlap. So I wrote theta, 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 theta. See, theta is here. Okay. Now, ready, as usual, using only calculator, I will enter the answer now. Then I will go to second part. Okay. First result for by method of joints. We'll start here. 58. Where is the angle? 56.31 divided by sine 56.31. 69.707. I will enter all the answer first. 69.707 into cos. Where is the angle? Angle is here. 56.31 is 38, this side minus 20, 18.667, 18.667. See, all values are in kilonewton. I won't, because if I write kilonewton, it will take some space. 41 divided by Sine 56.31. 49.276. 49.276. See, I will do any order. You stick to one particular order. Don't do like me. Into cos 56.31. 27.333. 27.333. I'll come to this joint now. 69.707 into sine 56.31 is 58. Up, down. Minus 18 divided by, once again, sine 56.31. 48.074. 48.074. 48.074. Other one is 69.707. Add it into cos 56.31 is 65.333. 65 point. See, this way doing directly in calculator, it is possible for you also, provided you be serious and start learning. I will come to that joint now. The joint is my choice. 49.276 into sine 56.31 is 41 up. So this is down. Minus 12 divided by sine 56.31. 34.854. See, I am writing here 34.854 by 4 plus 49.276 into cos 56.31. 46.668. 46.668. Now next, this joint. Whichever joint I feel comfortable. 34.854 into sine 56.31 is 29 up, down. So this is down, up, minus 15 divided by sine 56.31. 16.826. 16.826. I write here. 16.826. Here, then 16.826 into cos 56.31 is 9.33, the right side, plus 34.854 into cos 56.31, total is 28 point something, 34 or 28, correct answer. Then plus 27.333 is 55.999, 56. 56. Now, next I will come to this joint. 48.074 into sine 56.31, 40 up, so up means down. I got some doubt about this one now. Little doubt I am getting now, 1 minute. Minus 24 divided by sine 56.31. 19 point, no. Oh, yes, okay, 19 point, tallying. 19.223. 2296 is 23. 19.23. Okay. 23. Now, if I add everything there, 19.23 plus 48.074 into cos 56.31 is 37 plus another 18.667 is 56. Perfectly tallying. Over. One joint I have not gone. D joint, I will check there. I will check joint D. 19.23 plus 16.826 into sine 56.31 is 30, perfectly tallying. Horizontal equilibrium 65.333 plus 19.23 into cos 56.31. They are the two forces, minus 0, 75, not possible, 65.333 plus 65.333 plus 19.23 into cos 56.31 is 75. No, something wrong there. 75 means, no, equilibrium is not maintained. Right, left. Minus 46.668 is 29 point something divided by cos 56.31 is 52. Oh, something wrong here. Something is wrong. I should check once again. Okay. Nothing, no problem. Actually, what happened is, when I come here, this joint 34.854 plus 49.276 into cos 56.31 is 46 point something. When 20 is there, I forgot that 20 plus another 20. 66.667. Okay. See, this is 66.667. See, nothing to worry. If a mistake is there, I can correct it immediately. 667. Now I will check horizontal equilibrium here. 65.333 minus 66.667 plus 19.23 into cos 56.31 is 9 point something minus 16.826 into cos 56.31 is 0.00. Perfectly correct. Over. Now, this is the answer. See, I forgot that 20. That's why, see, vertical equilibrium maintained here, horizontal not maintained. Suddenly I observed it here. Okay. Anyway, sometime what happens is, see, that load, I did not see it. I should have seen it first of all. Okay, now, this is over, method of joint. Okay, now, to verify the results for member, see, they want to verify for, see, member CD, then DF and FG by method of sections. Then again they want to verify for DE, DG, where is DG? DE, it is not DG, sorry. DE, then DE, then GE, EG. It is EG. Okay. EG. Change the question. EG, DE, EG and GB, BG by method of sections. Now, some importance is there. See, method of section also is exercise for you. We have solved plenty of questions. Okay, now, consider section X1. See, because there are two. See, I'll do one thing. Second, okay, I'll write here now. Second part. See, second part of the question. Two questions are there. In the second part, first question. See, CD, DF and FG. By method of sections, what result we got for CD, this answer, then DF, see, this member, and FG, what result you got here, you have to verify it by method of sections. Okay. Consider section X1, cutting above 3 members. See, correctly see what I am doing. You should do one thing. You draw one more sketch where no answer is there. See, those who are serious, draw this sketch once again, enter the reactions, and that's all. Enter the reactions and no answer, full empty. Then in that sketch, see, show the cut where CD, see, show the cut here. I show the cut here, see. show the cut here. X1, X1. X1, X1, show the cut. Okay, then consider equilibrium of the pin jointed frame to left of XX. Why? Easier. See, when you consider left side here, A intact, F intact. A intact, F intact, C intact. Okay, enter everything. 18, 20, 58 volts. This number you are putting in, it goes to CD, force for CD. See, you should write here, FCD. FCD, not FCD, PCD. Okay, anything will do, PCD. P for CD. Then, see, when you cut here, this member get cut here. Force from that side. F for, which one? P for FD. This all already over hundreds of times. P for FD. Then, this member P for FG. Mark everything. P for FG. 1 minute now. I'll just check the camera once. Is the writing is clear or not, or within the camera? Yes, within the camera, no problem. Now, see now, correctly. You see, I told you, those who are serious, write this sketch once again, without any answer, enter all the external forces and reactions. That's all. Don't put it here. There is the X1, X1. X1, X1. See? X1, X1. Okay, now, see here. Direction to be assumed. Something is there. Class. Very important. Right. I am dictating something only once now. In future, I will not tell this one. Because this type of question, that is first solving by all members, then verifying the result for some members, at least 10-15 questions, minimum 10 questions will come, not 10, it will be more than 10, maybe 10-15 questions, around 15, maybe who knows, up to 20 questions may come. I am covering each and everything. I will not tell there, I will tell. I already told in the exercise question, number I will not tell, where first time we considered method of joint and verification by method of sections. So make a note. What I am going to tell now is valid for all the question in future where question is first solved by method of joints, then verify the results for some particular members by method of sections. What I am telling is, if the question is, see, I am dictating. See, I am dictating something. If the question is only for method of sections, then we do not know the direction here. See, direction is not known. You see, method of joint, it is very easy to decide direction for unknown. Method of section, not so easy. I can decide, but I can't tell all those things for you. You get confused. So what I did so far, from beginning of method of section till the last question on method of sections, where all are independent question for method of sections, is consider all unknowns going outwards, see, away from the joint. Means you are assuming all of them tension. Axial, when you consider with as an axial force, it will be tension. So if you get positive, means answer is tension. If you get negative, without sign, answer is compression. Hundreds of times told. You make a note, you write the sketch, then write, but no. This is the question where we are asked to verify. See, we are asked to verify it. When you are asked to verify, you are checking whether this answer you got is correct or not. Therefore, now, if you take random, somebody will be laughing. See, you already know the answer here. See, when you cut here, see, so the point C to D force is like this. See, like this, you know it. So since you know it, you take that way only. PCD. And F to D, see, this side, F to, not that arrow mark. For this left side, what is coming? F to D is see, coming to the joint. You know it already. This is P what? P FD. FD. And see here, F to G, here see, F to G. When you see left side, F to G is going away from the joint. So put that way. P FG. FG. P FG. 1 minute. I think my usual confusion, whether I gone out of the camera or not. No, I think okay. Slightly shift the camera. Okay. Now, so make a note. Since you are going to verify the result, you should take the direction what see on the left side, not right side, because these are all the forces acting to the joint C. To see, this is the force finally acting to the joint C. See, it is this way. This is the force acting to the joint F. See here, this way. This is the force acting to the joint F. See here, going away. I will tell you why. Simple example I will give you. Suppose you are going somewhere. See, just simple example. You come this way. Some space required. Okay, I will tell here. See, you come in a road. Left side deviation, right side deviation. You already know the address of the person. He told you, you come here in the road, take the turn. He forgot to tell you whether you take right turn or left turn. He told take the turn. Maybe sometime it happens. People who know their house, they will not tell. Take the turn. As you take the turn, see, turn, you will tell on the opposite side, see, on the other side, see this side. That is how you come here, not that row of house. Other side, my house is third house, and he will tell in the house you can see number of the house and my name. He will tell that way. Okay. Now, you come here. Then you remember, he told take the turn. But he did not, see, he told house number 498. Name, Mr. So and so. Mr. So and so. He told big letters, display is there. House, my name and also house number, big display is there. Okay. Or something else he is told, how to identify. Maybe house number, or he told in the house you can see this one very clearly, some big portico, something he told, so that you can easily make out. Now, you come here. Now, doubt comes to you. Shall I go left side or right side? See, he forgot tell which side. What to do? Earlier question solved, you are not knowing the answer. So do one thing. You take a chance. You take left side. Okay. Check whether he is there. After 1, 2, 3, third house, suppose it is not that way. Oh, wrong. Then come back here and take right turn. You assume one direction. If answer is negative, it is opposite. So that is earlier case. But this time, you know the answer. He told you, you take right turn. See, he told you, you take right turn. Now if you take left turn, how it will look like? He told you come in this road, and then maybe he told take right turn. Then on opposite side, third house is my house. Therefore, because see here, you know the answer here. Now, like earlier, if you take like this, you write, let me assume the forces like this. What he will tell? You don't believe your own answer. You already got the answer here, and you don't believe your own answer. Oh, correct. Therefore, whenever the question is an independent question for method of sections, at that time, answer is not known. I advised everybody to take the unknown acting outward, see, going away from the joint. I told everybody, assume like this. Later, if it is correct, plus sign will come. Means tension for member. If it is wrong, negative sign will come. Means the member is in compression without sign. But this time you know the answer. Therefore, since you are verifying the result, if you take, you know the answer here. If you take the other way, someone will tell, you don't believe your own answer. Oh, no, I believe. Then do one thing. Take like this. Okay, now enjoy method of section. See, 3 meter, 4 meter, this angle is theta. That's all I will tell now. Method of section explained so many times. Okay, start. 3 unknowns are there. Where 2 unknowns are meeting, F. Take moment about F. See now, I will dictate. Minus PCD into 3 minus 18 into 2 by result to 2 plus 58 into 4 equal to 0. You will get the value of PCD. 65.333. You will get plus 65 point, I write here. PCD will come plus 65.333 kilonewton. Okay. See, now you got the value of PCD. See, PCD came. Sigma V0, take upward positive. Minus PFD sin theta minus 24 minus 18 plus 58 equal to 0. You get the value of PFD plus 19.23. I am not calculating. I know the answer. 19.23 kilonewton. Now you got the value of PFD also. Sigma H equal to 0. Take right side positive. Minus PCD. Here, start from here. Plus PFG minus PCD minus PFD cos theta plus 20 equal to 0. You know the value of PCD and PFD. Substitute whatever you got. You will get PFG plus 56 kilonewton. Plus 56 kilonewton. Okay, we got the answer. Okay, now lastly write something. We are asked to verify the result for CD, then CF and CD, which one? CD, FD, DF, FD and what? And FG. These 3 members. See, CD this way, correct. We got, oh, perfectly correct. 65.333. This to the joint F, 19.23. Oh, perfectly correct. 56 this way. Correct. So the result is force for member CD is how much? 65.333 compression. Force for this member is 19.23 kN compression. For last member, force is 56 kilonewton tension. Why compression? Why tension? Very sorry. If you don't know, right now stop attending my classes. Okay. Now, what is over now? One question over. Now, second question. Second question. Okay, this is first question over now. Okay, second question. I will write roughly and explain to you. Now, second part of the question, see here, to verify the results for DE, EG and BG. DE, see now, this member, I put a dot here. DE, then EG and BG, this member. So, consider section X2, X2, cutting above 3 members. Once again, if you are serious, draw the sketch once again. Enter all the reactions and external forces. Do not enter any member forces. Full blank. Then, see, show the cut here. Cut here. x2, x2. See here, x2, x2. Let it come this way, okay. Okay, no problem, it came little this, okay. Okay, x2, x2. Consider equilibrium to right of x. Last time I wrote here by mistake, consider equilibrium to left of xx, actually x2, x1, x1, x2, x2. See, right side, E intact, B intact. This reaction, this force over. Height 3 meter. Then, see, now, this force, see, from here to the joint E, you know the answer. It is like this. PED and PEG. You know, see here, you know the answer this way. Assume that way. Not assume, consider that way. This is, see, this way. PBF. For this member, angle is theta. See, when you take moment, you see. Now, take moment. Two unknowns are meeting here. When you take moment about E, see here now. Plus PBF into 3. Then, minus 41 into this distance is, since it is 4 meter, this is 2 meter. Minus C, plus PBF into how much? Into 3. Minus 41 into 2, that's all, equal to 0, you will get the value of PBF. I will calculate PBF now. 49.276. Do you think I am calculating? I know the answer there. I got confidence. Okay, now PBF came. Sigma V0, take upward positive. Minus PEG sin theta minus 12 plus 41 equal to 0, you get PEG equal to plus 34.854 kilonewton. Sigma, now PEG also came. Lastly, sigma H equal to 0, take right side positive. Plus PED, which is unknown now, minus PEG cos theta, PEG is already known to you, minus PBF, minus 20 equal to 0, substitute for PEG and PBF, see I am substituting now, I am getting, which one? PED, plus 66.667. Why everywhere plus came? See, now we should do one thing, you should understand. Earlier, when you assume all tension, or that is going away from the joint, positive sign indicates it is going away from the joint. So later tension. If you get negative, then it means it is not going away from the joint, it is coming towards the joint. So compression without sign. Positive sign does not indicate tension compression. Positive sign or negative sign indicates whether direction considered are correct or not. Plus means what direction you considered is correct. Negative means what direction you considered is wrong. That is called mathematics. In later, I am uploading one class regarding this plus minus confusion also. Big class I will upload. So many people get confusion. So therefore, positive sign we got everywhere. You have to get a positive because why? Because you are verifying the answer. When you are verifying the answer, you enter the correct direction because you know the direction here. Value you are calculating. Direction you are checking whether what we got here is correct or not. That's why whenever you verify the result by method of sections, you assume the direction, or not assume, you consider the direction, same direction as you got by method of joint. If method of joint is correct, plus sign will come. So here see, all plus. Therefore, see here, this plus is not tension compression. Therefore, axial force for BF is, see, going away from the joint. Positive came, tension. Axial force for EG, see, going away from the joint. Plus came, tension. Axial force for ED, we considered coming to the joint. Positive came, yes, it means it is coming to the joint. 66.667 compression, right here. Therefore, axial force for BF is 49.276 tension. Axial force for EG is how much? 34.854 tension. Axial force for ED is 66.667 compression. That way, write the answer. Now, this question completed. Today I am curtailing because some already too late actually now. Other commitments were there. Next class I am going to solve 2 questions. Same type of question, but some changes are there. One question is symmetry is almost there, but one force given will spoil the symmetry. So it will be bad luck. I will tell bad luck. Symmetry is not there. Another question is perfect symmetrical. So those 2 I will go for next class. Shape is same, but values will be changing. Okay. Now, study anyway. This is a new type of question. See, first solving by method of joint and then verifying by method of section is a new type of joint. Therefore, thoroughly go through, understand and make a note. Okay, thank you. Next class we will meet.